Hello, for today's video, day 58 of our Active 365. No? For today, nasa labas tayo. And so, pag nasa labas, alam niyo na, body weight exercises. So, for today, simpleng body weight exercise lang ang gagawin natin. So, we will do uppercuts, left, and right. Maganda siya. Uppercuts. Ganyan. One. Simpleng workout pero effective. Gumalaw lahat ng katawan natin. So for day 58 of our Active 365, this is Coach H-Bomb out.